In this video, we will learn about the self-regulation of AI's future. We'll explore responsible innovation and soft law recommendations. By the end, you'll understand how we can ethically shape AI's future, a future we all want to live in. AI's rapid development raises a critical question. Can we trust AI to regulate itself? Think of it like letting a toddler drive a car. Without careful guidance, AI could perpetuate biases, create economic disruption, or even pose security risks. Responsible AI starts with defining key ethical principles: fairness, accountability, transparency, and human oversight. Think of them as the 4 pillars of a well-built AI system. These principles serve as a compass, guiding AI development and deployment. Soft law, such as guiding principles and ethical frameworks, offers a flexible approach to AI governance. AI governance requires continuous monitoring and evaluation to adapt to changing circumstances. By embracing soft law principles, we can shape AI's future ethically and responsibly. Remember, responsible AI development is not just about technology. It's about building a better future for everyone. A future where AI benefits all of humanity.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.